If CapCut is giving you account problems, login issues, or weird authentication errors on PC, this step-by-step fix can help you get back in quickly. In this video, I'll show you how to force close CapCut, sync your system clock, clear the app cache, and then log back in using the mobile QR scan method that can help prevent browser redirect loops. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and software tutorials. Let's start with the first step. Force closing CapCut completely. Sometimes the app stays running in the background, and that can cause login problems or prevent account changes from working properly. On Windows, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and S, or by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Once it opens, look for every CapCut process that is running. You may see multiple entries, so make sure you select each one. Then click End Task to fully close them all. This is important because if even one CapCut process is still active, the issue may come right back when you reopen the app. Next, we need to sync your system clock. This step is crucial because authentication tokens and login sessions can fail if your computer time is out of sync. On Windows, go to Settings, then click Time and Language, and then open Date and Time. Here, scroll to the Additional Settings area and click Sync Now. Let Windows update the time automatically so it matches the correct server time. Even a small time mismatch can cause account login errors, redirect issues, or failed verification, so don't skip this part. After that, open the CapCut PC home interface before you enter any project. You want to be on the main screen first, not inside the editor. In the top right corner, click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. From there, choose Settings, then go to the Cache section. Once you're in the Cache menu, click Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing account conflicts, loading issues, or broken sign-in behavior. Clearing the cache is one of the best ways to fix stubborn app problems without reinstalling the software. Now for the final step, log out and log back in using the mobile QR scan method. This can be especially helpful if CapCut keeps redirecting you through the browser or looping during authentication. Sign out of your current session first, then choose the QR login option when prompted. Open CapCut on your mobile device, scan the QR code, and complete the login through your phone. This method often works better than browser-based login flows because it can bypass redirect problems and reconnect your account more smoothly. Once you've completed all 4 steps, restart CapCut and check whether your account problem is fixed. In many cases, this combination of fully closing the app, syncing the clock, clearing cache, and using QR login will solve the issue. If you're still having trouble, you may want to repeat the cache clear step and make sure Windows Time Sync is still enabled. But for most users, this should get CapCut signing in properly again. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and fast troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.